Romping Rhymers, it's Miss Heather from the Flower Mound Public Library. Today we're going to read a story called There's a Pest in the Garden. This book is by Jan Thomas and we're reading it with permission from Simon & Schuster. Oh, Duck looks so mad, doesn't he? I wonder why. Maybe it has something to do with this. Let's find out. Munch, munch. There's a pest in the garden. He's eaten all the beans. Gulp. Oh no. What's that pest going to eat next? Quack. Corn. I love corn. Do you? Sheep does. He says, but corn is my favorite. That pest is still in the garden, and he's eaten all the corn. Gulp. Sheep is so sad. What's that pest going to eat next? Quack. Peas. Oh, I love peas. Do you? Donkey does not like peas. He says, yippee, he ate all the peas. I don't like peas. That pest is still in the garden, and he's eaten all the peas. Gulp. Quack, quack. What's that pest going to quack? What? Quack. Oh, you have a plan, Duck? Yippee, a plan. What is Duck doing? Is this part of your plan, Duck? Hey. Oh, the pest looks upset. Gulp. That pest just ate all the turnips. Duck loves turnips. Well, there goes the pest. So, we'll plant a new garden. We know what we need now. What do you think they need? A fence. They need a fence to keep the pest out. And who are the pests? And Duck. That's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed it and check out more of our videos. Bye.